Hey guys! Today ay i-share ko sa inyo, magluluto tayo ng soy sauce chicken leg. This is the famous here in Hong Kong. Here are the ingredients: chicken thighs. You can buy also the frozen one or the fresh one. I have 4 pieces of chicken thighs, and I use the 5-star anise, and the other one I don't know how to say that, but I put in the description below. And then ginger, rock sugar, and then the spices sauce. Use around half bowl or less than half bowl. And then dark soy sauce. Use around 2 tablespoons. And then 2 cups of water. And then bring to boil. And when it's boiling, around 5 minutes boiling, and set the fire into low fire for around 30 to 35 minutes to cook the chicken thighs. And after 30 to 35 minutes, this is how it looks. The chicken thigh is very soft. I guess 35 minutes is perfect timing. Before start the time, make it boiling first and then set into 35 minutes for slow fire and cook like this. It's really good, soft, and the taste will be inside the meat. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.